what's going on YouTube? Welcome back in. I go by the name of Trapvision 3D. Just moments ago, I sat down to eat and I unboxed this watch, right? And I thought, okay, I posted on my community tab, unorthodox way to, I guess, do an unboxing, which it is. It's very weird to do an unboxing. Out here it's bright. It's not as hot. I've already unboxed it, but it's sitting in front of me, and it is an Invicta timepiece. And I wanted to respect the Invicta community. I wanted to give that Trapvision-ism to it because I've been doing this for a long time. But then I thought to myself, this is a different time frame. We're in a different way of buying watches, man. So bear with me on this one, because I want to keep in mind, like, if you're new here, appreciate you. If you already been here for a long time, thank you. But I wanted to just say this piece before we go any further. An unboxing, to me, I love unboxings. I love seeing hauls. And one of the people that do it, like I say, like the best. He drops the video. It's like 4 or 5 minutes in and out. Come back, do a review, which I'm going to do. And that's, you know what I'm saying? This is my guy, Random Rob. He'll showcase the watch, but you know, and the reason I mentioned him is because I was looking at him, and there's some other people like Bruce Williams. These people are represented on YouTube in such a way, and they do collaborations with, or actually sponsored by other brands, or like the brand Exquisite. Exquisite holds so many different watches, and the reason I'm telling you this right now is because the brand I'm about to show you has had a huge voice in the community, on home shopping networks, on everything. Like, look at this right here. I am in the middle of Denny's unboxing this thing, right? And it was crazy. All right, so this is what we got. Now, the table was small. I didn't bring the largest equipment with me, but I just wanted to show you guys this watch. But I have it here, and I'm still gonna do a review. This is just me going, like, kind of briefly showcasing something and just giving you food for thought when it comes to this company, Invicta. Okay, let me catch you up to speed. This was showcased on JTV, which is Jury Television, right? I believe they're down in Tennessee. They are the new home for Invicta. It once was Shop HQ, as you can see here. Lovely. We'll talk about that in the review. We're going to get into more details, I promise you. But for right now, one of the offers that they gave was if you bought the watch inside, that's inside here, it came with an 18-slot dive case. And may I add, which I did not see in the box, was there was supposed to be cologne that came with it. Now, the price on this thing was $2.99, and let's flip that up. And of course, you have the instructions, you have the invoice or whatever, the instructions to the actual thing. So if you guys, and I think this is still available, they did not sell out. And as you see, that's the watch. Now, it is a diver. It's a dive watch. And for those that know Invicta, I know you guys are so hype about this, man, because so many people have been asking for Invicta to come back. They wanted them to just pop out because they have been dormant, so to speak. A lot of questions. Is Invicta dead? Did they go out of business? Are they all about racing now? Well, before Invicta was racing, it was all about these people right here. Point blank, period. This was Invicta. This is what brought people to the dance, was the entire Invicta community coming out just to say, hey, we love the watch, we love the robustness, we love belonging to a community. And what Invicta came up with is almost as if they are paying attention to the industry, because this watch is 44 millimeters, right? And we're going to get into all the dimensions on the upcoming video of this watch, but I wanted to show you this in its entirety and ask the question, has Invicta fallen off to where your attention is gone? Are some of you guys excited to see Invicta come back to do something huge? Well, I hate to burst some of y'all bubbles, and I will reiterate this in the review, but Invicta said this is a one and done. This is a final boss. This is a final run, like Hot Wheels. Those that collect Hot Wheels know. They're not doing this anymore. They did all of the ETA movements, right? This is the 2824 in this one. There was various colorways. It's number limited to like 125. We'll get the actual number in the very next video. I'm going to test this thing out and see how this compared to their old models, as well as what you guys know. For those that are displaced in the Invicta community, some of you guys have went to Aragon. Some of you guys have went to Spinnaker. Some of you guys are shooting for the moon in the micro brand space, right? And you guys want to stick around that $300 to $400 point. And I'm going to present as many watches as possible for those that are displaced right now. But I just wanted to show this, wanted to go over the watch and what it means. I'm seeing some stuff already, but again, I want to talk, like, to be fair, I want to talk about this in a upcoming video, and I want to do it justice. But I just wanted to present this to you guys. Now, of course, there are some, again, that unboxings are amazing. I know some people love seeing that, and I just wanted to share this with Invicta. This isn't for you guys that's watching. This is solely for Invicta. You have people like Randall Robb and Bruce Williams, like I mentioned earlier, that when a company sends them a watch, they send it with just knowing they trust that person, they trust that source, but overall, they're sending them something that people can believe in, they can get behind, and they don't mind spending their money. I understand what was said on the commercial. You're not looking at the industry and what they do. You're worried about, you're more concerned with the customer base. Well, your customer base, I'm going to just say this, has evolved. They have changed. Some people are going towards the smaller. Some people want the bigger, but like, you're going to have to find that sweet spot. So you guys that are Invicta collectors, what do you think about this? You guys that are not Invicta collectors, you don't like Invicta, do you think this is a proper looking timepiece from what you see? Post your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much. I left a link to all of the people that I mentioned and then some. So let's go ahead and peel some stickers, or a sticker, off. And this right here is super blue. This is the Smurf Blueberry Invicta Pro Diver. And this thing is powered by the ETA 2824. Now, reserve, for those that don't know anything about Invicta, if this is your first time, Invicta made this a popular thing, making their reserve line. And it was like the difference in just having their base model and having their top of the class, their S-class model. All right, y'all, until the next lightning strike, y'all be blessed.